Go ahead. What is that?
Dora!
Dora? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What are you looking for? Iggy, there's more. What's this?
Crowns.
Crowns, but there's wrapping paper.
But I want 2 presents.
Here, open. Open this present.
I have 2 presents.
You do.
Now what should I start now? How do I open it?
Start here.
Wrap. And wrap. I know what I get.
I don't know. What is it?
What's that top is? Ah.
What is it?
A coloring book.
It is. It's a sticker book. Look at that. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And then there's one other little thing. What's this?
Teddy.
A teddy. Here. Can you say thank you in the camera to Miss Barb?
Thank you.
Do you like your presents? Look in the camera, please. Can you blow her a kiss? Okay. What do you say?
Thank you.